Hey guys, welcome back with another brand new and exciting strategy for making money online, getting passive income, and working from home, which you can make $100 a day online using the free software that I will teach you and this free method and free strategy in affiliate marketing using the ClickBank for absolutely free. So stay tuned to the very end of this video. I'm going to share with you step by step that how you can make money exactly right way easy way with free software and a two payload system, and you don't need to invest any money into that, and it's absolutely a copy and paste method that you can simply use for your benefit and start making money from that. So let's begin the strategy, but you need to watch the video to the very end because we are going to use multiple website and softwares together and then maximizing the result from that. If you just mess, then you will be confused and you will not fully understand that how exactly it's working. We are using the ClickBank and this tutorial right here, so you just need to learn each and everything step by step. Before starting the method, I just request you to hit the like button as an appreciation for this video, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification and to all. Whenever we upload new video, you will be notified of that. And if you want step by step full training for making money online, getting passive income, then check out the first link in the description of this video, and you will learn each and every single step by step making money online system and full training from A to Z. And the link will be in the description of this video right here. So let's begin the strategy that how it is working. The first step is that you need to sign up with the ClickBank account right here by just clicking the sign up button. You just need to add your first name, last name, email address, your phone number, each and some details that everybody is having that. Once you are done with that, then you can simply log into your account right here. Once you log into your account, you just need to go to the marketplace, and then you can simply scroll down and look for a category that you are interested with that. But basically we will use one category, the e-business and e-marketing, in this tutorial right here, and we will be visiting this page right here. So make sure that you sort it by the gravity, the e-business and e-marketing right here, and then you can simply scroll down and you will see a lot of and different products which will be available on this web page and that you can simply promote. Basically we will promote the product which is having the high gravity and as well as the high conversion of money or something like that, that we can make it from that, which is $331 for sales as a perpetual income. 365 is the best product for us and making money online niche, and we can simply promote it right here. So how we can promote? First, we need to see the sales page and affiliate tools area right here. So this is the sales page, which is a pretty awesome video and a complete and comprehensive video that people can get attention into that and they can learn each and everything, and that would be 100% conversion. When people watch this video, they can simply add their first name here, email address, and climb the spot now, which will get the free training, and they are good to go with that, and we will earn money from that right here. But if you just go to the affiliate tools area right here, so we can simply see here the different offers, sorry, different contents right here, and for our understanding that how much money we can earn from this one offer right here, and how many people we can convert and how we can convert. Email marketing is the best, and they are also using this different tutorials, different testimonials, and different proofs from other people that they are promoting this and that is working from them right here. And there are different videos from different clients that they are using this offer right here that they can simply use. But basically with this tutorial we don't need to use these things right here, we just need to use for absolutely free strategy. So the next step for us will be that we simply go to the 𝐔𝐍 article right here by just searching in the Google 𝐔𝐍articles.com, which is this is the real name 𝐔𝐍 articles, and you can simply just visit this page right here. Once you visited this page right here, you will see the different articles and different categories right here. So home-based business, internet marketing, businesses, you can simply search any category right here and you will just simply just see the subcategories right here, for example, and making money online, and you can simply start promoting whether you're using the marketing or anything or any other category. You can simply just click on that. Once you click on that, then you will be visit to, for example, marketing category right away here, and then you can simply see here the free contents on this website for absolutely free here. So you can simply see 10 effective less structured techniques. This you can simply use. Can a market research company increase business opportunities, or how to use something like that? You can simply use comparing traditional and digital marketing. You These are the different article. You can simply choose one of these and then you can start promoting your contents with that right here. For example, I'm using this article and that will work for me, and that is a great and comprehensive article that I can simply use right here. So what I need to do, I can simply just copy the main URL from the top right here. I can simply copy that and I can use the free software, which is the web2pdf.com. I can simply come to this website and paste the link right here and just click on the convert button. Once I click on the convert button, it will just require me a couple of seconds that they can simply see, scan, for example, process, and simply convert. And then after that, I can simply download this from here. As you can simply see here, it is processing now, and once its process is finished, they will give me the download option, and I can simply download this free ebook. So automatically it is changing into a ebook which I can use for my benefit right here. As you can simply see here, I just click on the download button right over here, and that is going to be downloaded to my PC right here. Once it is downloaded, the next step is that I simply go to the pdfescape.com, or there are many PDF editors actually online that you can simply use, but I'm using the pdfescape.com. You can just come to this website and just click on the free online right here. Once you click on the free online right here, just wait for that to open and give you another option to upload your contents right here to this website. So once you click on that, you will be visited to this page right here, and you can simply click on upload PDF to PDF escape. You just need to click on that and just drop it right here, your articles. So once you drop it right here, it will just upload your contents to this page right here. So we just need to wait for a couple of seconds to upload to this web page, and then we can simply edit it right here on this page. If you want to remove something right here, for example, I don't want to just have the ESAN article, something like that, I can simply just click on white out, and I can simply just use this from here. For example, I can remove all these things. Okay, I can remove this, and I can also remove this, or if you want to just leave it like this, it doesn't matter. Then you can simply scroll down. If there is any other things right here, for example, that you don't want, so you can also remove it from there right here. Okay, so I can also remove it from here as well, this one. Okay, let me just click right here, and I can simply choose this and I can remove. Okay, and if I want to remove this is an article's logo, I can also remove this from here. Let me remove this one also. Okay, because I don't need to use these things from here. Okay, so each and everything is removed now. So what I need to do, I need to just give a call to action button right over here. I just go to text right here, and I can simply just click right here. For example, you can simply tell people and give call to action button, something like that. For example, if you want to have a full step by step training, click here. Okay, something like that. Okay, click here, and you just make sure that you select this and make it bold, and then you simply just scroll down like this and make it bigger, something like this, and change the color from black into blue, that people can understand that it is a link right here. So once you are done with that, then you can simply just leave it like this, and then you click on the link. Once you click on the link, select this area right here, and you will have the option to add your link. You simply go to the ClickBank and click on the promote button. So once you click on the promote button right here, you will just visit to another page that you can simply add your ClickBank ID and also your, for example, uh, your tracking ID right there. For example, my ClickBank ID is this one. I can simply add, and tracking ID would be escape escape PDF, which I can understand from where the sale comes. Then I can click on generate hop link, and I can copy my link from here, close this, and come to this web page right here. we can simply come to this web page right here, and we can simply add our link from here. Okay, that we have simply copied that link. We can simply just come back right here and just remove this and paste our own link and click on OK. So it will be a clickable link from here, and that will change into that. Once you are done with that, your article is ready now. So the next step for us will be that we can simply click on this button that it can save, and then they can download that. So once our link or ebook is ready with our embedded link, the next step will be that we can simply move to the free traffic. The free traffic that I'm talking about is the slideshare.net, and I will also show you another free traffic that you can also use to multiply your income from that right here. So according to the similar wave, 75 million people every single month is visiting to this website for absolutely free, and more sometimes is getting 100 million or something like that. As you can simply see here, 1.9 million people are visiting, but for right now it is 75 millions per month visiting to this website right here, and most of the traffic is coming from richest countries right here. As you can simply see here, many people just upload their simple ebooks online, and they're getting millions of views, like this one, 6.8 million views, 2.1 million views, 1.6 million views. And if you scroll down, you will see other people's contents right here that they got, for example, 1 million, 1.8 million, 1.8 million views, a 113 million, 13.4 million views. Okay, so these are the people that they just upload simple content to this website, and they are getting ton of views. You just need to upload so to sign up for a free account right here on this website, and then you need to click on the upload button right here. Once you click on the upload button right here, you just need to just drop your link right here, I mean your ebook, and just paste it right here. So once you paste it right here, it will be just automatically uploaded right here, as you can simply see here. So you just need to add the title and description. So for that reason, you just need to go to design article. You just need to copy the same article title, okay, and just paste it in the title section right here, and then go back right here to design article, and then give a short description right here. Just copy this description from here and just paste it right away here. So that way it will be your description. The whole work that you are doing on this tutorial as a copy and paste method. You don't need to use anything like that, for example, that you need to use, or you need to have a special skills or something like that. So everything is in a two payload and copy and paste method, and the free softwares that you just need to use for absolutely free and use it. Then you just need to add the category right here. For example, I'm using the internet right here. That will be good. Make sure that it is a public that everybody can watch. So here you can simply see here, for example, email marketing. You can give different, for example, keywords like affiliate marketing, okay, and make money online, passive income, work from home, or work from home jobs. So these are be the different keywords that we can simply rank our ebook on this to 75 million people. So I think it's enough right here. Make sure that you just click on I'm not a robot. So once you click I'm not a robot right here, then you need to select, if there is this option, then make sure that you select this and just click on a verify right here. So once you verify, we just need to wait a couple of seconds for this to upload. So once it's uploaded, it will process. Once it's processed, then you can simply just have the preview of your, for example, your ebook right here that you can simply see here, and you will have the call to action button at the bottom as well right here. So once you are done with that, the next step will be that you simply click on the publish button. Once you click on the publish button, it will be live on this website, and everybody can watch and read your article from here right here as a slideshare. As a slideshow, you can simply see here, and many people, if they are interested, they can also click on the download button, and they can simply download this right here. Here you can simply see your article title, sorry, your ebook title, description right away here, and comments below, and here are the views that you can simply see, and the likes you can simply see here, and this is the publishing date that you can simply see here right away here. So make sure that you just see this you just upload the contents every single day. The more contents, there is no limit for anything like that. You just need to upload money contents to this website, and the more contents you upload, the more money you will get, and the more revenue you will get. So if you want to make more money than this, then you can simply go to another website like script.com. Script.com is one of the best free website as well, but it's not free. You need to pay for that. But the coolest part is here that they have a 30 days free trial actually, that you can simply see here, and you can simply promote your contents to this website for absolutely free for 30 days. So 30 days are a lot of time. Even you can upload 15 or 10, 20, and 30 uploads. You can simply do it right here daily to this website. It means you can upload more than 100 and 200 uploads to this website in 30 days. So another trick will be that once your free trial is finished, uh, you can use another email address and sign up for another account, and you will have again 30 days for that to upload your contents into that. You just need to upload your contents, and your link will be live forever right there. And you can people when people were watching, so they can also just get your links, and they can also click on that, and if they are agree, they can purchase your contents. As you can simply see here, monthly visit to this website is 111 million people every single month is coming to this website, and they're from different countries like Indonesia, Mexico, United States, Peru, Colombia. And these are the different countries that we do want to promote our contents in front of them, that they can simply use. So just sign up for a free account right here. You don't need to invest any money into that. For 1 month you can simply use for free, and this is a free trial, and you can use multiple ebooks and use and upload to this website. So hope you like the method and you are interested with that. If you like it, please don't forget to hit the like button as an appreciation for this video. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification into all. Whenever we upload new video, you will be notified of that. So if you want full training for making money online from A to Z, check out the first link in the description of this video, and you will learn each and every single step-by-step training that you can simply use and make money online from that. So till next brain video, see you awesome with enjoyable moments.